I walk a certain distance. Okay, I'm walking a certain distance and then right back taking a total time of 30 minutes. Well, suppose let's say here is a shop and here is a, let's say, mall, no, hospital post. Okay. So I travel from the shop to the hospital by walking. I'm going here by walking. But while returning, I take a auto rickshaw. Okay. Suppose this is auto rickshaw. So I take an auto rickshaw and I ride here. Okay. So here in these cases, the distance is same. Let's say x. The distance is same. And the total time taken to cover this distance, total time, okay, by walking and riding is equal to 37 minutes. This is the first sentence. Second sentence is saying that I took both ways, I could walk both ways in 55 minutes. So if I go by walk, also return by walk, in that case, it becomes 55 minutes. Our question is, if I ride both the way, I take an auto or a bike and I go, again I take an auto or a bike and I come. In this case, what will be the time taken? What will be the time taken? Are you able to understand the question? So in this, how can we solve? I walk a certain distance and ride back taking a total time of 37 minutes. That means our distance is x. So what is the total distance we have covered in both the cases? Here total is 2x, right? 2x is the distance. And what is the time taken here? Time taken is the 37 minutes. Yes, sir? But in one case we are walking, in one case we are riding. How to solve that? See. How to solve, I'll tell you. Again, see. First of all, let us assume, let the distance be x kilometer. Okay. I'm taking the distance to be x kilometer, which is a fixed distance. Right. Now what we can do? Time taken. Time taken to walk x kilometer plus time taken to ride x kilometer is 37 minutes. Second case, it is saying both way it is walking, right? So time taken to walk 2x kilometer, because both going and coming is walking. So in that case, it becomes 55 minutes, right? Now, if you say time taken to walk 2x kilometer plus time taken to ride 2x kilometer will be how much? X is 37. If it is 2x and 2x, then it will be obviously 37 into 2, which is 74 minutes. Right? Now we have the time taken to walk in 2x kilometers 55. Just to replace this 55 minutes plus time taken to ride will be equal to 74. So the answer, time taken to ride both ways will be 74 minus 55. That is how much? 14 minus 5 will be 9. 19. Am I correct? We'll just check this here. There. 19 minutes will be the answer. Are you able to get it or are you confused here? First, I took the time taken to walk x kilometer plus time taken to ride x kilometer, which is already given in the question, is 37 minutes. Second, it has been given to time taken to walk 2x kilometer, means both going and coming is 55 minutes. Now I have taken, just replace this formula to come to the answer. Time taken to walk 2 kilometer plus time taken to walk, ride 2 kilometer, sorry, 2x kilometer will be double of the time taken, because this is one way and 37. If both the ways we go in the same way, then it becomes double of the time. There is 74 minutes. Now already we know this is 55 minutes to walk. We have to find the riding distance, riding time. So 74 minus 55 will be 9 minutes. Is it clear? Thank you.